Orem, third grade basketball here at Lehigh High School. Second half action about to begin. Score at halftime. Timpview 9, Orem 8. It'll be Timpview ball coming out of the halftime. Number 4, Dax Coy in the yellow jersey on the white team. Third grade. Number 30 gets the steal for Timpview. Travel violation called against Timpview. 15:31 remaining in the game. Timpview 9, Orem 8. Orem ball. Rebound. Back on D. For 24 gets the rebound from Timpview. Rebound. That's out of bounds. Off Timpview on the shot. 14:54 remaining in the game. Timpview 9, Orem 8. Go to the basket, Dax. All the way down. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Rebound. Rebound. 24 Harvey gets the rebound for Timpview.
Guys, hold the screen. Hold the screen.
Stay by the basket, Dax. Number 99, Avery gets the steal. Emery gets the steal for the Orem. Timpview steals it back though. Number 30 comes up with it. Shot is blocked by number 5. Asher for Orem goes out of bounds. Off the Orem. 13:48 left in the game. The score is Timpview 9, Orem 8. Get between him and the basket, Dax. Don't let him get to the basket.
Emery, who do you have? Emery, stay on him. Emery, stay on him.
Keep an eye on the ball, too.
Good D, Asher.
All knocked out of bounds by Orem with 13:22 left in the game. Timpview 9, Orem 8. The Timpview ball.
Find your man. Good D. Stay on your man. Stay on your man.
Number 9, Lewis gets the steal for Orem. Puts up the shot and can't get it to fall. Number 7, Jones ties it up with a jump ball with 12:42 left in the game. Timpview 9, Orem 8. Orem ball. Pass it. Shoot it! Shoot it! Ah, almost got it. Dax Coy puts up a shot. Can't get it to fall. Number 11 gets the board for Timpview. Dang, I thought I got that one. He needed that one. It was a good shot. He almost made it. Rebound! Number 15 gets the rebound and puts up a shot. But number 7 gets the rebound for Orem. Jones. Down the court. Fires the shot. Number 11 gets the rebound for Timpview. All knocked out of bounds by Orem with 11:30 left in the game. It'll be Timpview 9, Orem 8. I'll bring some subs in the game. Number 44, number 3, Peter will come in the game. Number 99, Emery, number 5, Asher will out. Break. Timpview ball inbound from the baseline.
Lewis, take 24.
Hands up. Hands up, D. Stay in front of him, Dax. Don't let him get to the basket. Number 25 makes the bucket. 10-11, Orem 8. Go to the basket. Go to the basket. All the way down. Watch the ball. Number 9, Lewis puts up the shot. Can't get the ball. Shoot it.
Shoot it. No.
Back on D. Back on D. Back on D. Hustle down. Can't get a shot. Shot is no good, but they get an offensive rebound. Number 15 comes up with it. Rebound. Number 11 with the bucket. Tiffy 13, Orem 8. Get open. Watch the ball. Number 9, Lewis with the shot. Can't get it to go. Peter comes up rebound for Orem. His shot is no good as well. Number 7 gets the rebound from Tiffy. Number 3, Peter gets the steal for Orem. And ends up double dribbling with 9:42 left in the game. Tiffy 13, Orem 8. Back on D. Tiffy ball.
Got 7.
And number 7 knocks down the shot for Tiffy, making it Tiffy 15 or 8. Timeout Orem with 9:10 left in the game. This is Orem. 3rd grade basketball here at Lehigh High School in Lehigh, Utah. Tiffy 15, Orem 8 score. Good. Little workout.
Yeah, that's when BYU beat USC. Look at that game.
Grandpa Mike and Grandma Loretta took it back, huh?
Grandma Loretta went. Like,
It's crazy. It's the only game she ever been to, or what?
what?
Is it the only game she ever went to?
Yeah.
Well,
For college game?
that's a good one to go to.
Yeah. They won.
They won. Upset. We won.
I was stuck in this game.
We won. Oh, that's why they took him, huh?
Yeah. They played at like 1:30.
That's a bummer.
Like, forget the Twins, man.
It's USC.
That was, yeah, when Lolo was on their team, you know.
Yeah.
Viola was on the same boat. She's like, I guess I choose my kid.
Nice.
We're all watching it on our phones.
Orem 3rd grade basketball here at Lehigh High School in Lehigh, Utah. 9 minutes and 10 seconds left in the game. The score is Tiffy 15, Orem 8. Orem will have the ball.
Lance, off the court. Hurry.
Go to the basket, Dax.
Go, Dax.
Orem ball.
Good job, Joe.
Yeah. Tiffy comes up with the steal, number 30. And number 7, Jones, steals it back for Orem. Ball knocked out of bounds by Orem with 8:31 left in the game. Timpview 15, Orem 8. Back on D.
Hey, who you have? Who you have? Watch the screen. All screen. Gotta help him. Yeah, help him.
Help him out. Step up and help. Go to the basket. Here we go. Timpview 17, Orem 8. Number 30 makes the bucket for Timpview. Number 9, Lewis fires a shot. Can't get it to go. Number 15 gets the rebound for Timpview. And Peter gets the steal. Number 3 for Orem. Fires up the shot, can't get it to go, goes out of bounds. It'll be Timpview ball with 7:35 remaining in the game. Timpview 17, Orem 8. Help him out!